So this valve opens up, piston blows the air into this one, pushes it down. Then this valve's open, pushes air, so it pushes that piston down. Vacuum opens up, sucks this piston up. Pretty efficient. Three-speed transmission. And this is like a little shredder. And I've never seen anyone else make a design where the clutch is actually part of the transmission. Or like, because everyone makes it separate. Well, this part is separate. But I'm seeing the axle actually runs. It's actually connected to the transmission. So, this valve is actually 1.5. That one's 2. Both of the pistons are 3. Alright, let's run this thing. So, I don't think I've ever seen anyone make a design of this engine like that. Like this way, where it's connected to the front. And then it's this one's vacuum, this one's blow. I've never seen anything like it before. Never seen this type of transmission clutch design before. This shredder is garbage, and I'm probably gonna have to have a 4-speed, but if I do, I'm gonna have to make this twice as long because of the way this works. But yeah, engine's pretty smooth. There's no lubricant, but yeah, this is a throttle. I just leave it on open. And you can actually shift with this one, and it still be a part of like the same thing instead of having a separate clutch. You know? So yeah.